Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard features. TrafficGuard PPC Protection is a fully featured click fraud software designed to serve enterprises, SMEs, and startups. TrafficGuard PPC Protection provides end-to-end solutions designed for web app and Android. This online click fraud system offers account alerts, activity monitoring, IP address monitoring, IP blocking, keyword tracking, refund management, risk assessment, and time on-site tracking in one place. What protections do you offer at each of the three levels: impression, click, and event? Legacy solutions typically only analyze traffic at a single stage of the ad journey, such as the impression, click, or conversion. TrafficGuard is the first solution to analyze the full funnel, enabling the protection of various advertising types, CPM, CPC, CPI, CPA, etc. At all three levels. Multi-point prevention also strengthens mitigation more generally because it receives more signals from more data at each stage of the advertising journey. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.